My new juicer. This is not sponsored by Breville, but Breville, call me. We can negotiate. So here's the unboxing. Very secure, very tight packaging, very clean packaging. The instruction booklet, pretty simple. Didn't need to read it much. It's straight to the point. Then it comes with the measuring cup. Very useful. You can never have enough measuring cups. And then you take out the device itself. It's quite hefty, heavy machinery, but it's worth it. And then there's the brush to clean out all the pulp after you get done using it. Very shiny, very clean, very state-of-the-art. These are some of my fruits, my favorite fruits that I like to use with it. And we're ready to go. Here's a strawberry pitter. I suggest you get one. Everyone needs one of these in their life. And this is how it works. Cuts it clean out, like it never happened. Yum. Now we fill up all our fruits, and it's ready to go. All you simply do is power it on. It's already slicing and dicing for you. Just press it in, real good. And the juice is ready. Just turn it off. It's that quick. All right, let's try it. Perfection, baby. All right, now it's time for the cleanup. I will say that when you use like oranges, fruits with peel, you do want to take the pulp out or cut out the flesh of the fruit, because that peel will get into your juice. I drank orange zest sliced juice and it wasn't pleasant at all. So you want to take the pulp out, but you simply remove the slicer, you remove the bowl, and as well as the top lid, and you do want to unplug it when you do the cleanup for safety. However, that metal rod latch thing, once it's slid down, it will not turn on anyway as a safety precaution. And then you put it back together and let it dry up. Lock it in, and you're good to go.